Page 464, numbers 13 and 14 are working with vector addition and scalar multiplication. So we are given the component form of vectors u and v. So u is -1, 3, and vector v is 2, 4. So in number 13, we are asked to add the two vectors. So we're simply just going to add the matching components of each vector. So u plus v is going to equal this component form, which is -1 plus 2, and then 3 plus 4. So vector u plus vector v is going to equal 1, 7. So that's number 13. Now number 14, we're going to add two vectors again, but first we're going to multiply vector v by a scalar or a number which is -1. So we want to do that first. So we are going to take vector u plus -1 times vector v. So this is going to give us -1, 3 plus -1 times our vector v, which is 2, 4. So we're going to have u plus -1 vector v is going to equal -1, 3. And now I'm going to distribute that -1 to the second vector component. So I'm going to multiply a -1 times the 2 and a -1 times the 4. And when I do that, I now have -2, -4. And now I can do my vector addition. So my final answer is going to take shape here, because I am going to have -1 minus 2, because I'm adding a -2, and then 3 minus 4, because I'm adding a -4. So the final answer for u plus -1 vector v is going to be -3, -1.